class students. I am Indira, NEET biology faculty. Today we are going to start with a new chapter, that is Principles of Inheritance and Variations. Principles of Inheritance and Variations. In this chapter, we start with a few important terms. First one is what is meant by genetics. Because this complete chapter and molecular basis of inheritance we study under heading genetics. So genetics is the branch of biology that deals with study of genetic variations and inheritance of characters from parents to offspring. According to NCERT, we see what are the contributions of different scientists. The term genetics is given by dash, that is Bateson, in 1906. Then who is father of genetics? Father of genetics is John Krieger Mendel. Who is father of modern genetics? Father of modern genetics. Answer is again Bateson. Who is father of experimental genetics? Father of experimental genetics is T.H. Morgan. Next, who is father of biochemical genetics? Father of biochemical genetics. It's Beadle and Totten. Beadle and Totten. This Beadle and Totten, these people has given one gene, one enzyme theory. One gene, one enzyme theory. So we have seen the definition of genetics as study of, it's a branch of biology and it deals with the genes, genetic variations, etc. Now, what is meant by gene? Gene is considered as a structural, functional unit of inheritance that helps in transportation or transferring of biochemical, anatomical and behavioral traits and also the alleles from parents to offspring. Let's see the definition once again. The gene is a structural and functional unit of inheritance that helps in transmission of biochemical, anatomical and behavioral traits and alleles from parents to offspring. Now, the term gene is given by Johansson. Next, the term gene is called as factor by whom? By Mendel. Now, again, the term gene is called as, the term gene is called as element, again by Mendel. Again by Mendel. Now, gene exists and behaves in different forms. Different forms. Now, what are those forms called? These different forms are called alleles. Are called as alleles. If we come to the point, what is the exact location of a gene? For suppose if you think this is the chromosome. Chromosome is having highly coiled DNA as genetic material. If you think that these coiled structures are nothing but DNA, and if you zoom that structure, if you write in a double helical coiled form, when we take out a small fragment, this DNA fragment is called as gene. Fragment, we can call it as a gene.